Hello and welcome to another video. So today I am going to tell you a story about a monkey. So let's begin. So once upon a time there were two rats. The rats were very popular amongst their family. So one day the rats stole a piece of bread from the neighboring house. The bread was quite big, but each one of the rats wanted a larger piece of this bread. So they went into a quarrel, a pretty heavy quarrel. Alas, the family had to step in, and finally they stopped quarreling. At last, both of the rats' fathers told them that they should go to a monkey, who is one of the most wisest animals in this forest. And they went to the monkey, and as they went to the monkey told them that they should be wiser than this. And so they tried to be wiser and tried to negotiate with each other by sharing the bread, but they could not share the bread. Both of them wanted the bigger piece of the bread. So as the monkey took a look at the piece of bread, he tore apart the bread into two pieces, and as the monkey tore apart the bread into two pieces, he put those two pieces on a scale, and as he put those two pieces of bread on a scale, the monkey said to the rats that clearly one of these pieces of bread was heavier than the other. So the monkey took a small bite from the heavier piece. Now the other pieces of bread was heavier than the other. So as both of the breads were becoming heavier than the others, at last when the monkey had eaten enough of the bread, one of the pieces of bread had ended, and now there only was left one piece of bread. And so the mouse or the rats wanted this piece of bread back, because they knew how to settle this quarrel or this half selection thing of a bread that they want to do. And so as the rats were about to take that bread, the monkey said that he wanted this piece of bread as his fee, because he quarreled enough and tolerated enough to divide the bread into two equal pieces. So as the monkey, he quickly took the bread and ate it up. The rats were sad because the monkey did not show them how the pieces of bread looked, and so he ate up the bread, and the rats left, but the rats became wiser even though they were sad. So this is the lesson of life, and as the rats became more and more wiser, we also should become more and more wiser in our daily life. So this is the end of our video. So tata and goodbye, see you tomorrow again.